Hello there. So this is an overview of how to schedule a meeting using Zoom in a web browser. So I'm going to start off by opening up a web browser, and then in the new page I'm going to go to Zoom website, which is zoom.us. This is their homepage. You can set up a free account and log in by clicking on my account in the top right hand corner. I've already done that, so it remembers my account and opens up my account detail page. And you can see at the top here I've got the option to schedule a meeting. So I'm going to click on that. You can put a name on the meeting, so I'll call it my test meeting. You can put in a description if you want it. You can decide what time you want to run it at. So let's say I want to have it later on today at 4 p.m. So what I'm going to do is select 4 p.m. from the menu here, and I'm going to have the duration is going to be, say, 30 minutes. Because I have a free account, there's a 40-minute time limit on meetings of 4 people or more, but I generally find 30 minutes is long enough. Then some other options. It's the time zone is correct. It's not going to be a recurring meeting. I want it as a once off, so I can uncheck that box. I leave the meeting ID to be generated automatically. I don't want a password for the meeting, so I can uncheck that box. Then scrolling down to the video options, I want my video to be on and the participants' videos to be off when they join. So that means that they'll be able to see me on their webcams, but I won't be able to see them. If you want to change those, you can just uncheck the boxes here and click the ones you want. If you do have all the participants start with their videos on, it can make the video a bit slow to load depending on bandwidth available. With the audio, I tend to leave it on default setting for both telephone and computer audio. And then the meeting options, I normally want to tick this box to enable join before host. That means if, say at my 4 o'clock meeting, someone clicks on the link to join at 3:57 p.m, they'll still be able to join in, it won't block them. I normally want to mute the participants on entry. That means that if people join all together and there's a lot of background noise, say someone's dog is barking, you won't be able to hear that. So it just makes it a bit easier to figure out what's going on. I normally don't want to enable a waiting room, but you can use that version if you wish. And then I normally do want to record the meeting so that at the end of the meeting I'll have a recording and I can decide, yes, I want to keep that, or no, I don't need to hang on to it, I can delete it. So I'll click save, and then it gives me this screen that shows me what's happened and what I've set up. So my meeting, the bit I'm interested here is this is the URL to join the meeting. So I can copy that link and then I can email that out to the students and say, here's the link for my meeting. I want to let you know how to join it. So you can copy the invitation here, and this text comes up. You can copy that meeting invitation, and then that's now on your clipboard. So you can send that to participants via email or post it onto a Moodle forum thread or whatever the case might be. And then at the designated time of the meeting, all the person has to do is click on this link here, either on their computer or on their phone, and they'll automatically be able to join the meeting. So it's pretty straightforward to do that, and once you're up and running with it, it'll work well. I'd suggest maybe having a practice meeting or two with yourself and a few others. So before you try to, say, deliver a lecture online or hold a formal meeting, it's worth scheduling a session or two and having a little play with it so you can get used to controlling the meeting and see how it works. But overall, it's pretty straightforward, so hopefully that's helpful. Thank you.